All right, it's been a while, but we're back. The Chicago Auto Pros vlogs are back. We're in a brand new, bigger shop, so we figured we'd start a brand new season. This is season 3, episode 1. We started these vlogs just to kind of showcase what goes on here at Chicago Auto Pros on a day-to-day operations basis. We get a lot of really cool, neat cars in here, and I figure the world would want to see it. So welcome, let's show you what's going on. I don't even know what's going on. WRX STI in here for a signature interior detail. They got that started this morning. Model X over here, we started this last week. We have a lot of cars in here because we're behind with construction. We're still putting up everything on the walls. Things are going up in the clean room. We just moved Car Guy Supplies over in the corner, but this Model X is getting a lot of, we just did a exterior coating maintenance. We're doing an interior refresh. It's getting some Lombard paint protection film.
So today we're gonna be doing this Model X hood in PPF.
So Andy, why do you have one glove in one hand and not on the other?
I got eczema.
You got eczema?
I got what?
You got
Eczema?
Hey.
Stingray's getting worked on here. This one's getting some paint protection film on the front, doing some paint correction, and then it's gonna get Seacort's Professional put on the paint. We just got these new spotlights put in our bays here, and it really helps because usually you have flashlights and you're trying to see what the paint's looking like, all the defects and everything. So this is kind of nice. You can see all the spotlights right on the hood. That's gonna be nice.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm.
What are you doing, Edgar?
Calling to make some interviews. It's not working number. Put a number, it's not working.
Alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out.
Let's see what they got going on in the film room. They just finished with this Porsche. They did Exo Shield on the front windshield. It's all done. Let that sit out in the sun for a couple hours to cure. And then we got some paint correction, and we're doing BCO 8 on this one. Jaguar F-Type. Jaguar F-Type. These guys did paint protection film on the front end here. We actually used the new 72-inch roll. Before they had the 72-inch roll, they just had the 60-inch roll, which makes this a very difficult hood to do because the hood goes right down into the fenders. And you'd really have to stretch that 60 out and you'd end up with some distortion in the film. But with the 72-inch roll, it's nice and easy to do. Looks perfect and beautiful. Check out the window tinters. Who's the country fan?
That's me.
Range Rover in for just 2 windows, matching the back. Nice Audi full car window tint. What kind of film we put on this?
Pinnacle 35.
Pinnacle 35. All this Mustangs here. Cobra SVT. This thing sounds sick. We're doing a level 4 paint correction, so there's a lot of scratches and swirls on it. Ooh, look at that orange peel too. This one's getting G-Technique Crystal Serum Ultra after we do the paint correction. 2004. Wonder how many miles it has on it. Let's check it out. 27,000. Not bad. I like that color too.
I think it looks so good. Don't you think it looks so good?
Baby tonight, baby tonight, baby tonight, baby tonight, baby tonight, baby tonight, baby tonight.
We did some window tint on this one. We just got a fresh order in from AM Details. We got to put this into the inventory. We are now carrying, they have the 5 liter, the big 5 liter jugs of, we got APC and then wheel cleaner, getting those into inventory. This package took about 2 months to get here from the UK. How's it going? Hey. We moved everything from the front office back to here so we can have some private offices up there. I kind of like it back here in the corner though.
Right, it's a little cold, but.
Just pulled in this BMW X5. This one's getting a whole list of, I think this is getting every service that we offer. Full XPEL paint protection film on the whole front end. We did the leading edge on the roof, rocker panels, door edge, the B and the C pillars, the piano trim, those are always a pain in the ass to keep clean. We're doing some paint correction, not too bad, just level 2 paint correction on this, and then it's getting G-Technique Crystal Serum Ultra as a ceramic coating. We already did the window tint all the way around, Formula 1 Stratos. We also did the windshield, that's a 70% film on the windshield. This thing's gonna be set.
My name is Joshua. This is my 2018 Subaru STI. Currently it's here for the signature interior detailing. The STI is, for the most part, it's stock. It's got a catback exhaust, an aftermarket tune on it, and a bunch of reliability stuff. I just put new wheels and tires on it Monday, and then it's got just some other, drivability stuff, like some engine mounts, stuff like that. I had been doing some research online. This is not my first time being here. At the time I was looking for places that could do ceramic coating, XPEL wraps for the car, just do basic protective services because it was a new car. I also have a 2013 BRZ. That one's my race car. The body's terrible and it wouldn't be anything like what you'd see here for this car, but it's got a full suspension on it, brakes. I'm working on the engine right now, and be taking it to the track later this year. This one for now is my daily driver, so it's there to be reliable and get me around places, and be good looking at it.
What do we got going on, Jason?
I'm just emailing a guy that's gonna start working with us through Car Guy Supplies. He's a YouTuber. He does YouTube reviews and videos right now. He's gonna be like an ambassador for Car Guy Supplies. I have this envision. I wanna bring a lot of value to detailers out there and teach them how to do different detailing things on carguysupplies.com. I wanna have a whole how-to video section, so how to clean windows, how to paint correct, how to do all this stuff. So I've been talking to Phil from Miranda Detailing.
Hello everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos.
He's on board. He's gonna be our ambassador to do that in a bunch of these videos. Go check him out if you guys haven't seen him. He's on YouTube. He makes some really satisfying YouTube videos. Cool guy, excited to start working with him. On the next episode, you don't think that one's gonna fit in there? You got like 2 feet.